Welcome to today's class. So far, I believe we have learned something on simultaneous linear equation. So what we are going to do here is still the same thing we have been doing. As I said earlier, we are going to follow one pattern till when everything is clear. Then we can now switch to another pattern. But for now, we are going to use substitution method only, making x of the formula in equation 1, then using it to substitute in equation 2. That is what we are going to do. So just follow the pattern. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So make x subject of the formula in equation 1. So equation 1 here is 2x plus 3y equals to 3. So how do we make x subject to the formula? That means x has to stand alone. 2x is equal to 3. 3y crosses over to this side becomes minus 3y. So to make x subject to the formula, I divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 2. So our x now becomes 3 minus 3y all over 2. So what is the next thing if you have been following the class? Can someone tell me what is the next thing? Okay, the next thing is to substitute x is equal to 3 minus 3y all over 2 in equation 2. So equation 2 is 6x plus 10y equals to 24. 6x plus 10y is equal to 24. So that means whenever we have x, we are going to remove the x and replace it with what? 3 minus 3y all over 2. So this is 6, open brackets, put here 3 plus 3y all over 2 plus 10y equals to 24. So let's proceed. Use the number outside to multiply all the expressions we have in the bracket. 6 times 3, 18, minus 6 times 3y, 18y all over 2, plus 10y equals to 24. So we can make this as fraction, put there over 1. Now what is the next thing? Next thing is for us to find the LCM of the denominators 2 and 1. LCM of 2 and 1 is what? LCM of 1 and 2, which is equal to 2. So you have here 2. 2 goes to itself how many times? 1. 1 times 18 is what? 18. Minus 2 goes to itself how many times? 1. 1 times 18y give us 18y plus 1 goes into 2 how many times? 2 times. 2 times 10y is equal to what? 20y equals to 24. So we solve this. 18 minus 18y plus 20y will give us what? Plus 2y. Now we have 2y here. All over 2 equals to what? Equals to 24. So the next thing here is for us to cross multiply. So 18 plus 2y all over 2 is equal to 24. Crossing multiply, 18 plus 2y now becomes 24 times 2, which is equal to 48. So 18 plus 2y is equal to 48. So what next? Collecting like terms, this now becomes 2y is equal to 48 minus 18. So 2y is equal to 30. We are looking for y. We divide both sides by the coefficient of y so that y can stand alone. Y goes, 2 goes here, 2 goes here, 2 goes here, 15. So y is equal to 15. So having gotten a y, now let's substitute y is equal to 15 in equation 1. Equation 1 is 2x plus 3y equals to 3. So wherever we have y, we are going to replace it with what? With 15. So this is 3. Let's do this. 3y simply means 3 times 15. 3 times y. 3 times y, which is equal to 3 times 15, which gives us 45. So we have gotten this place down to what? 45. Let's continue. 2x plus 45 equals to 3. So collecting like terms, 2x now becomes 3 minus 45, which is equals to minus 42. So x here, divide both sides by the coefficient of x to get x. This cancel this, 2 goes here, 2 goes here, 21. So x is equals to minus 21. Therefore, x is equals to minus 21, y is equals to 15. So let's use this to check if our answer is correct. Let's just check for equation 1 to know that what we have done here is correct. 2x plus 3y equals to 3. So 2 times minus 21 give us what? 42. 3 times 15, which is 45. This is minus 42, sorry. So this now becomes minus 42 plus 45, which the answer is 3. So using that to check it, that our answer is correct. So let's move to the next.